Hi, if you like the video, please remember to subscribe. This, my friends, is the MiVUE 766 Wi-Fi, a very capable little dashcam sent to me by the kind folks at Mio. I've been using the MiVUE 76 in my car for the last couple of months, and I've been very impressed with the quality of the unit and its extra abilities beyond being a simple dashcam. The MiVUE 766 ships with the unit, window suction mount and power leads. You've just got to supply your own memory card, but you'll probably have spare ones hanging around from phones and cameras. This unit feels good in the hands. It has a weight to it that many of the cheaper dashcams don't. And I guess my only bugbear so far has been the quality of the way that the unit slides into its camera to start off with. It's a little bit stiff as it's going to the suction bracket. Setup is simple, and the touchscreen on the back of the 766 is very easy to use and works well. You can connect the 766 to your smartphone to stream video and clips, and you can download the MiVUE software manager to update the firmware, update the safety camera files and transfer GPS logs. But don't worry, you can still just pop the memory card into the reader on your computer and transfer files that way. I may have just skipped past something that is so important and the main reason why I think the MiVUE 76 is an exceptional dashcam, and that's the addition of GPS and safety camera warnings. Trust me when I say that I've got drawer loads of dashcams that I've been sent over the years. Sure, most of them are fine, but when you get complacent and you forget to put them in your car, you stop using them, putting yourself at the risk of an accident where you really need that video footage to show your side of what happened. The difference with the MiVUE 766 is that because it also warns me about speed cameras, I always remember to put it in the car and have it running, and it'll pleasantly warn me when a speed camera is close and if I'm going too fast, all the while in the background recording footage in a loop ready for a crash to save that footage. You may well say, well, I've already got a GPS sat-nav device or my phone that can do a similar job, but do you always have your sat-nav or phone running on every trip you make? Would you be willing to leave your sat-nav or phone plugged in for that short trip down to the shops? Or do you agree with me that it's better to have a cheaper dedicated dash cam that's small enough to leave plugged in all the time so it's always ready for those terrible eventualities? If you're wondering how the unit knows when to keep some footage, you can press the screen to get it to save the last couple of minutes manually, or if there is a crash with the subsequent higher than normal deceleration, the unit's built-in shock sensor will then keep the last few minutes of footage automatically. The MiVUE 766 also has lane safety, crash avoidance and lights off safety features, but to be honest, the must-have features for me are those speed camera warnings. They keep me on the right side of the law and are a clever way of making sure I've always got the camera in my car on and recording. On the technical side of things, the 766 Wi-Fi uses a Sony sensor and it records at 1080p at 30 frames a second with a 140 angle of view. The unit records sound as well as audio. It can take up to 128GB memory card and has GPS and a built-in shock sensor. The touchscreen is 2.7 inches and the monthly updates to those speed camera locations are included in the price of your device. So, if you haven't guessed by now, I really like the MiVUE 766 Wi-Fi. Sure, it's not the cheapest of dashcams, but the addition of those safety, or you might want to call them speed camera warnings, makes sure I've always got it on and running in my car, keeping me under the speed limit and also ready to record automatically any accidents or incidents that might happen. The Mio MiVUE 766 Wi-Fi Dashcam. Recommended. Okay, so that's enough from me. Please put your comments and questions down below. If you enjoyed the video, hit like. If you want to see more of the same, press subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you again soon.